Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty World. I've got an interesting video that you requested me to do for you today. So I'm gonna show you how I style my short afro hair. So I've got like a 4C hair type, so I'm gonna show you how I slay it down and then slick it down. So if you're interested on how I'm gonna do it, keep watching. Much love, Mommy. Yes guys, here I am back. So I've got a few products here so that I use on my hair to make it nice, shiny and slick. The first product I'm gonna share with you is this one. They do go, so this one it just like protect your hair for damage, make your hair grow nicely, full and beautiful. The second product is this one. See, it's the Mega Grow. This Mega Grow is amazing. So it is break free, so it's a daily living straightener. So this one helps my hair like to be strong. So even though I wash it, I blow dry it so it doesn't break. Yes, this one, so it's a serum, so I always use it on my scalp, so to protect my hair with heat. So and then it helps me to make my hair nice and slick. This one, oh, is my little baby. After these days I cannot do it. So I used to use gel, but I realized that when I use gel in my baby hair, so sometimes I have like flakes, so I hate having flakes on my hair. So I'm using this wax, Mouldin Gel Wax. So it's amazing. It's kind of like a wax consistency, you see. So how it looks like. So it's really nice. It doesn't have any flakes, and then the good thing, they made it with tea tree oil, and then it helps your hair to be stronger and grow. So I use it for my daughters as well, so when they slick their hair down, they've got natural hair as well. They've got 4C like mine. So without of wasting your time, let's jump on how I'm gonna style it. Very easy and simple. This product is this one. So is the heat protector. So this product is really nice. It helps you like to style your hair nicely, and then it doesn't like damage the hair when you are putting the blow dry, because sometimes our hair is too coarser, so for it to be older, to lay down properly and then being slick, so you need to put some blow dry on it. So this product is amazing. So we got it like a present from one of our friends. Yeah. So here, so I'm gonna put it on my hair. So I'll put on my scalp. After putting the pomade on my scalp, I'm just doing kind of like a massaging, so just to help the product to sink properly on my kinky 4C natural hair. That's how it looks like after putting the pomade. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I love you so much. It's Mommy here. I'm just sharing. So the next product is this one, the Mega Growth. So it's kind of like a cream. So I just put it on my hair to make it nice and soft. Yeah, so that's how I style my short hair. So this Mega Growth leave-in conditioner is really nice. So because it makes your hair nice and soft, you see, it looks like you relax it, but the hair is not relaxed. I just wash, shampoo and blow dry. So if you are new here, please subscribe. So we normally share some beauty tips, we share some fashion tips, we share a lot of things, and then sometimes I do the video with my girls, Coach Mavi and Coach Melissa. So we have some video with them there, so you can check the video out. After putting my leave-in conditioner, so the hair is not relaxed, I just did like takes a razor. So I just takes a razor so to make it manageable. So if you are our everyday subscriber, please share with us. Let us know how you normally style your short hair, or if you have like any product that you use on your hair, please do share it with us. We like to know. So now I'm combing my hair. After combing the hair, after putting the leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna put a little bit of serum. This one is just protect me from the heat of the blow dry. So I'm just gonna put like a few drops. So I just put it on top of my hair. It's gonna help me to make the hair look more slick, just nice. Yeah, drop us a comment, how you feel about this video. You are the one who requested me to show you how I style my hair, because these days I'm just wearing my natural hair. It's hot, so I'm like, why not wear my short hair, but just style it. So now I'm just combing it with this flat brush. After combing, so I'm gonna put a line. I like having the line on the sides, I'm just having my line, so I'm just using this edge control brush, but I'm using the pointed side to just put my, yeah, so that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna tie the hair back. Look at my hair, how sleek and nice it looks, guys. This hair is coarser and kinky, but look at this. Is it not nice? I hope this video, it's gonna help even 2 people out there. I used to say when people, they say no, your video helps a lot of people. So I hope this video is gonna help even 2 people out there. Please, if you can, because this video help us, like it, share and subscribe, so you are not gonna be disappointed, because we always there to give you good stuff with mommy Marvelous Beauty World. Just now I'm gonna use the Mouldin Gel Wax. This is a lifesaver if you like to slick down your baby hair like I do. So just try this product. You are not going to be disappointed, because it just does the job. You see, it just lay down all the baby hair nicely, and then the good thing about it, you don't have flakes, so you are safe. See that? Wow, that's how I style my 4C short hair. That my hair looks like after using all this product. So I'm just gonna use this scarf to tie it, and then you're gonna blow dry, and then I will show you the final result. So that's me just putting the hair scarf. So I'm just gonna blow dry it. So I'm not scared of the heat, because I know that I already protect my hair with this serum here. So I use it for heat protection. That's me just blow drying the hair. So I'm gonna blow dry it for 1 minute. So my 1 minute blow dry is off. Now I'm gonna remove the scarf. See, that's how my hair looks. Nice and slick. See that? That was the simple way how I slick down my hair. So I normally just use this piece of hair, just to put on the back of my hair. So I've got this piece of hair, so I'm gonna put it just like on the back of my hair to make it more bigger. So since my hair is short, but at least I slick it down nicely. It's kind of like just a hair clip. Hey guys, that's how I style my short hair. So there you go. That's the hair here. That's how my hair looks like. See you on my next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love. We do appreciate your support. Let us know which next video you want to see in the channel. You requested me to show you how I normally style my hair. I did it, so that's how the hair looks like. I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up if you do. Share, and then let us know what you think about the video. Don't forget to subscribe, so whenever we upload, hit the button so you'll be the first one to be notified. We love you so much.